This video covers Family Type Manager Type Catalog Editor. In this video, we're going to go ahead and import in a new type catalog, make some modifications with the command bar, and export the type catalog back out of the system. So go ahead and just import a new type catalog. Let's go and pick the C shape. It's recognizing the file, bring the data in, and now we're ready to go. So in here, we've already populated all the different C-shape profiles. In here on the left-hand side, you have a command bar. You have press instructions that tells you all the options of the command bar, other notes about working with type catalogs, and also error checking information down below. You can come back in here now and run the command bar to pick all elements. Let's say we want to copy elements. We're going to copy these C15 elements. So we'll go ahead and select the cells we want to copy. We'll select those, click OK, and they're now going to appear at the very bottom. Anything duplicated is going to have a highlight value. So once you change the value in here to a new type name, that duplicate highlighting will go away. As you see, now we have a duplicate again and it reappears. To delete any rows, you can come back in here and also select the rows you want. So we'll select the cells. It asks to confirm you want to delete these. You say yes, and they're now removed. So quickly able to bring the information down, make modifications to generate more types in whatever volume you may want to have. You also add your suffix prefix values. So let's go ahead and do a suffix prefix value. We're going to add a prefix. I'm going to go ahead and just add a prefix value and just select elements you think that need a certain type. Click OK. And I'm going to go ahead and just give it a BM for BIM modular, and everything's been updated accordingly. Same thing goes for being able to remove those values for suffix or prefix. Select the area you want, and in this case here, do BM again, and they're all removed. As you see here too, it does highlight any values that are deemed editable. So as you scroll across, you'll see them also change for conditions of text-based elements. And cancel out. Next here, you can also do a search feature for anything in the sheet. You can do a find and replace feature in here as well. Find and replace does allow you to search by row or column. It will look at formula information and values. If you add new rows, information, or columns, just resize the table once. It takes a couple seconds. You can also filter rows, so that allows you to go in here and quickly filter out. So if you only want to look at certain sizes, then you can pick those and drill down to multi-level sorting and filtering. So there's a filter. We'll come back and remove filters, and that's returned back. You can also do multi-sorting. So if I want to come back in here and sort, I'll do a custom sort, and I'm going to go ahead and sort this by my width, for instance. And I'm going to add another level and sort this maybe by my web thickness. And now I've created a list sorted by the categories we've selected. Now you also can do, is interesting, is convert type catalogs between 2020 and previous to 2021 to current. And just by checking this box right here, click right here, and it's automatically converted everything to being naming properties of parameters for Revit for anything happening from 2020 to before. And if you want to convert a old catalog to new catalog, click right here. It will go through there and update all the naming headers to be compliant to 2021 to current. You can run error checking. Error checking allows you to look for blank cells, duplicate types, invalid Revit characters, database characters, header name conditions, and numerical values in here. Since most of the time Revit does prefer to have the values in here for numeric as without any kind of additional characters. So in this case here, just do a check all required, and we can go through there and verify if you do have anything missing. So for instance, let's go and do a quick test here. This 5x9 is blank. I also want to throw in, maybe this 5x4 has what would be considered by some systems a invalid character format. Let's just throw in right here. And maybe this was mistyped here as well. We've got one extra value in here as well too. So let's go ahead and run our check all, and you'll see here immediately it's recognized we've got this invalid character. So let's go back and fix that. We have that that's the 5x9. So we'll just go here and make that where it was. And I'll go back and fix this one as well too. So everything's compliant, rerun the error check, and everything's good. And then once you're done, go ahead and export out your schedule and then press export again to export out your file. Thank you for watching.